Hello, my name is Angelica Maria Perez. I am a student of gastronomy. Today I am going to show you how to do bandeja paisa. The bandeja paisa can be found in many parts of Colombia, but the meal has roots in the Antioquia region and Eje Cafetero. It's very famous because it has a lot of things on one plate or platter. Today we are going to use avocado, baking soda, eggs, green plantains, green plantains, 2 tomatoes, scallion, beef, chicharron, chorizo, rice, red beans, salt, arepas, laurel, and oil. Bandeja paisa contains boiled beef, rice, red beans, a fried pork ring called chicharron, an arepa, a fried plantain, a slice of avocado, to be healthy, and a fried egg. Leave the red beans in water overnight. Later you put the beans in a pressure cooker. Peel and cook the green plantain. Add with salt and Laurel. To prepare boiled beef, you can boil it in water with salt. Prepare the white rice as you normally do. Now we cook the tomatoes and scallion and add in a frying pan with oil. And salt. This is Avocado. We are going to eat this with red beans or arepa or whatever. Later, you blend the beef and you have the boiled beef. After that, we prepare chicharron. Add salt, and baking soda. Now you can fry it. I am going to add the avocado to the red beans. And I am going to put the pork beef here. I am going to boil my chorizos. with water, only water. Fry grilled plantains, chicharron, eggs, and chorizo. Slide the avocado.
The dreams of young lovers are like a good wine, surprised by the richness and sorrow they'll find, longing for something sweet come sweep me off my feet, hoping for some change to take me away, for nothing in life comes free. Oh, hope is a dish far too quickly consumed. Pipe dreams on a plate, I'm simply run through all alone.
To serve, you can put the things